Dolphins have long captured the human imagination with their playful antics, remarkable intelligence, and mysterious lives beneath the waves. These enigmatic creatures are more than just adorable marine mammals, they are a testament to the wonders of our oceans. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of dolphins, exploring their evolutionary history, anatomy, and an array of fascinating facts that make them one of the most captivating creatures on Earth. Dolphins have had a fascinating history spanning over 50 million years, involving their evolution, interactions with humans, and scientific discoveries. Their lineage stretches back to the Eocene epoch, when their distant ancestors, known as Archaeoceti, first ventured from land to sea. Fossil evidence suggests that the ancestors of modern dolphins were land-dwelling mammals that gradually adapted to aquatic life. Through millennia of evolution, these magnificent creatures have transformed into the graceful swimmers we recognize today. The story of dolphins is a captivating tale of survival, adaptability, and resilience. Dolphins have interacted with humans in various ways throughout history. Some indigenous coastal communities have formed cooperative relationships with dolphins, using them to help locate and catch fish. Dolphins belong to the order Cetacea, a diverse group of aquatic mammals that includes whales and porpoises, encompassing nearly 90 species worldwide. There are over 40 different species of dolphins that belong to the Delphinidae family within Cetacea. The lifespan of dolphins varies depending on the species, environmental factors, and threats they face. On average, dolphins have a lifespan of around 20 to 60 years, although some individuals may live longer in ideal conditions. Bottlenose dolphins. One of the most recognizable species of dolphins is known for its friendly behavior and distinctive curved mouth. These social creatures often engage in playful behavior, making them a favorite among dolphin enthusiasts. Common bottlenose dolphins have an average lifespan of 20 to 30 years in the wild, although individuals can live longer. In captivity, bottlenose dolphins often have a shorter lifespan, typically around 25 to 35 years, due to different environmental stressors. Orcas. While commonly referred to as killer whales, orcas are the largest members of the dolphin family. These apex predators are known for their complex social structures and diverse hunting techniques. Orcas' lifespan varies by gender and population. Male orcas typically live around 50 to 60 years, while females can live up to 80 to 90 years or more. Orcas in captivity often have shorter lifespans compared to their wild counterparts. Spinner dolphins. Spinner dolphins are named for their acrobatic displays, where they leap out of the water and spin in the air. These energetic dolphins are often seen in tropical waters and are known for their striking coloration. Spinner dolphins have an average lifespan of about 20 to 25 years in the wild. In summary, the lifespan of dolphins varies among species and is influenced by a combination of genetic factors, environmental conditions, and the presence or absence of threats. In the wild, dolphins tend to have longer lifespans than those kept in captivity, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts to protect these intelligent and remarkable marine mammals and their natural habitats. Dolphins are highly adaptable marine mammals, and they can be found in a wide range of aquatic habitats worldwide. These habitats vary depending on the species of dolphin and their specific ecological preferences. They can be seen from the Arctic to the Antarctic, even in some rivers and estuaries. Their adaptability to various environments reflects their remarkable evolutionary history. As a result of millions of years of evolution, dolphins possess a uniquely adapted anatomy perfectly suited for life in the aquatic realm. Their torpedo-shaped, streamlined body is a remarkable physical feature that enables them to traverse through the water with unparalleled agility and speed. The design of their body reduces water resistance, allowing them to move swiftly and effortlessly through their aquatic habitat. The evolution of dolphins has resulted in an extraordinary creature that is perfectly adapted to thrive in the underwater environment. They have a suite of fins designed for different purposes. The pectoral fins on either side of their body act as versatile appendages, assisting in steering and maintaining balance. The dorsal fin, rising proudly from their backs, offers stability while swimming. And then there are the powerful tail flukes, the true engines of their locomotion. These muscular flukes, moving rhythmically, provide the primary thrust required for their agile swimming. Dolphin skin is smooth and rubbery to minimize drag in the water. Underneath this sleek exterior, they possess a layer of blubber, a thick insulating layer that helps maintain body temperature and provides buoyancy control. Dolphins boast numerous sharp, cone-shaped teeth, reflecting their carnivorous diet. These formidable teeth, often numbering in the dozens, are instrumental in capturing and gripping prey. Dolphins do not chew their food, instead, they swallow it whole, relying on these teeth for effective hunting. Although dolphin eyes are relatively small, they are well adapted for underwater vision and equipped with protective membranes. Their acute sense of hearing is remarkable despite the small external ear openings. Echolocation, their primary method of navigation and locating prey, relies on this keen auditory sense. As mammals, dolphins must surface to breathe, and their anatomical adaptations facilitate this process. The blowhole atop their head allows rapid exhalation and inhalation, ensuring efficient breathing while preventing water from entering the airways. Dolphins are well known for their intelligence and complex behaviors, which are supported by their large and highly developed brains. These brains have intricate convolutions and enable dolphins to solve problems, communicate, and have social interactions comparable to some of the most intelligent species on Earth. Beyond their exceptional hearing and sight, dolphins possess an extraordinary sense of touch. Whiskers near their mouths are incredibly sensitive, helping them explore their environment and interact with other dolphins. The respiratory system adaptations of dolphins are truly unique, allowing them to achieve impressive feats of breath holding. Their gas exchange and oxygen storage mechanisms are highly efficient, enabling them to dive to great depths and easily stay underwater for extended periods. Dolphins possess a remarkable brain-to-body mass ratio, second only to humans in the animal kingdom. The cerebral cortex, which is well developed in dolphins, enables sophisticated information processing due to its convoluted structure and large size. Dolphins are renowned for their exceptional problem-solving skills, whether in the wild or captivity. Their ability to solve complex problems, adapt to new situations, and access hidden rewards demonstrates their mental dexterity. Dolphins are intelligent creatures that pass on cultural knowledge within their social groups. They rely on this cultural transmission to teach future generations various behaviors and techniques, such as hunting strategies and unique vocalizations. Some species of dolphins have been observed using tools. For instance, bottlenose dolphins in Shark Bay, Australia, use sponges to protect their snouts while foraging on the seabed. This is a rare example of tool use among non-human animals. Dolphin intelligence remains a subject of ongoing research and discovery. Scientists continue to explore the depths of their cognitive abilities, from problem-solving and self-awareness to emotional intelligence. Each revelation brings us closer to comprehending the vast intellect of these extraordinary creatures. Dolphins are fascinating creatures known for their highly developed communication skills. They use a variety of vocalizations, including clicks, whistles, and body language, to convey messages and establish social bonds within their pod. One of the most interesting aspects of dolphin communication is their unique whistle, which is like a human fingerprint. This whistle helps dolphins recognize and identify individuals within their group. Dolphins also use echolocation to navigate the ocean and locate prey. By emitting high-frequency clicks, they can bounce sound waves off objects and create detailed mental maps of their surroundings. This ability is crucial for their survival, enabling them to detect potential dangers and avoid collisions with other objects. In addition to helping them find food, echolocation also allows dolphins to communicate with each other over long distances, even when visibility is poor. Overall, dolphins are highly intelligent and adaptable animals with complex communication techniques to help them thrive in their aquatic habitat. As marine mammals, dolphins need to sleep just like any other creature. However, because they live in the aquatic environment and are conscious breathers, they need to come to the surface to breathe. Their sleep patterns are quite different from those of land mammals. Dolphins employ a fascinating sleep strategy known as unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. This means they can sleep with one half of their brain at a time while the other hemisphere remains awake and alert. This allows them to continue swimming, come to the surface to breathe, and watch for predators or other threats. This unique form of sleep enables dolphins to maintain essential activities like swimming, respiration, and vigilance while resting. During their active state, dolphins keep one eye open and the corresponding hemisphere of their brain alert. The other eye remains closed. They periodically switch between which eye is open and which is closed. Dolphins also engage in slow, rhythmic blinking, which may help maintain visual awareness while resting. Dolphins don't engage in long periods of deep sleep like land mammals. Instead, they take short naps, lasting a few minutes to half an hour, several times throughout the day and night. These naps are typically taken near the water's surface, allowing them to come up for a breath easily. Dolphins, especially those in social groups, often engage in social sleep, where several individuals within the group will rest and sleep together. This can enhance their safety by allowing some members to remain vigilant while others sleep. Dolphins tend to choose safe, sheltered areas for sleep, such as bays or lagoons, where the risk of predation or boat collision is reduced. Researchers believe that engaging in unihemispheric slow-wave sleep allows dolphins to conserve energy while maintaining essential life functions. It's important to note that the specifics of dolphin sleep can vary among species and individuals. Some dolphins may engage in more unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, while others may have different sleep patterns. Overall, the unique adaptations of dolphins to their aquatic environment enable them to rest and remain vigilant for threats, making them well-suited to life in the ocean. Dolphins are among the fastest swimmers in the ocean. The common dolphin can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. They are also famous for their acrobatic displays, leaping out of the water and performing flips and spins. These behaviors are thought to serve various purposes, including communication, removing parasites, and simply having fun. Dolphin jumps, also known as breaches or leaps, are one of these remarkable marine mammals' most iconic and mesmerizing behaviors. Dolphins are known for their acrobatic skills, and it's a breathtaking sight when they leap out of the water. Here's a closer look at why dolphins jump and the different types of jumps they perform. Breaching is when a dolphin propels itself out of the water and becomes fully airborne before splashing back down. This behavior is often accompanied by spinning, twisting, or somersaults in the air. The reasons for breaching are not entirely understood, but it is believed to serve multiple purposes, including communication, play, and dislodging parasites or irritants from their skin. Porpoising is a rapid series of jumps or leaps near the water's surface. Dolphins use porpoising as an efficient way to travel quickly while minimizing water resistance. It's a common behavior when dolphins are swimming at high speeds. Some dolphins, particularly bottlenose dolphins, have been observed tail walking. This is when they lift their bodies partially out of the water and move forward on their tails or flukes while keeping their heads above the surface. It's a playful and entertaining behavior often seen in captivity. Dolphins can jump to impressive heights when breaching or leaping. The exact height a dolphin can reach depends on the species, individual size, and the force with which they propel themselves out of the water. Some dolphins can jump several meters into the air. Dolphins jump and leap for various reasons, including communication, playing, hunting, and exercise. Dolphins are highly intelligent and skilled hunters, using a combination of physical adaptations, teamwork, and sophisticated hunting techniques to capture their prey. Their hunting strategies can vary depending on the dolphin species and prey availability. Many dolphin species are known for their cooperative hunting behavior, which involves working together in groups to increase their hunting success. Dolphins in a pod coordinate their movements and use a variety of tactics to corral, herd, or trap schools of fish or other prey. By working as a team, dolphins can create a net of individuals to encircle and concentrate prey into a smaller area, making it easier to catch. Some dolphin species, like the bottlenose dolphin, use a bubble net fishing technique. They blow a circle of bubbles around a school of fish, creating a barrier that traps the prey. The dolphins then take turns swimming through the bubble net to feed on the trapped fish. Dolphins may use their tails or flippers to stun or immobilize prey. They might slap a fish with their tails or flip it out of the water to make catching it easier. This behavior is often seen in orcas. Some dolphins, like the dusky dolphin, engage in a unique feeding strategy known as mud ring feeding. They swim circularly near the seafloor, stirring up mud and disorienting buried prey like crustaceans. Then, they scoop up the disoriented prey. Bottlenose dolphins have been observed using marine sponges to protect their snouts while foraging on the seafloor. This behavior is considered a form of tool use and is passed down through cultural transmission. Dolphins are opportunistic feeders and will adjust their hunting techniques based on prey availability. Depending on the circumstances, they may hunt near the surface, in deeper waters, or even near the seafloor. Dolphin migration is a remarkable natural phenomenon that involves the seasonal movement of dolphin populations between different areas of their ocean habitats. While not all dolphin species migrate, several do, and various factors, including feeding, breeding, and environmental conditions, influence their migrations. These migrations can be triggered by factors such as changes in water temperature, prey availability, and reproductive cycles. Seasonal movements are typically driven by the need to find suitable habitats for breeding, feeding, and avoiding adverse environmental conditions. Some dolphin species, such as common dolphins and spinner dolphins, engage in feeding migrations. They follow the movement of prey species, such as schools of fish or swarms of squid, to access abundant food sources. These migrations can be relatively short, with dolphins moving between coastal and offshore to take advantage of seasonal prey concentrations. Breeding and calving migrations are critical for reproductive success in many dolphin species. Female dolphins often travel to warmer waters, which serve as nurseries for their calves. Calving in warmer waters provides better protection for newborn dolphins, reducing the risk of predation and ensuring a more stable environment for the young calves. Environmental factors, such as changes in sea surface temperature and ocean currents, can influence dolphin migrations. Dolphins are highly attuned to their surroundings and will move in response to these changes. Changes in water temperature, for example, can affect the distribution of prey species, prompting dolphins to follow their preferred food sources. Some dolphin species, such as the orcas, are known for their long-distance migrations. They have been observed traveling thousands of miles searching for prey, such as salmon. These long migrations require careful navigation and a deep understanding of oceanic conditions. One of the most mysterious aspects of dolphin migrations is their navigational abilities. Scientists believe that dolphins rely on a combination of sensory cues, including the Earth's magnetic field, celestial navigation, and echolocation, to guide them on their journeys. Their incredible homing instincts allow them to return to the same breeding and feeding grounds year after year. Despite their widespread popularity, dolphins face numerous threats in the modern world. Pollution, habitat destruction, climate change, and bycatch, accidental capture in fishing nets, are major challenges that impact their survival. Several dolphin species are listed as endangered or vulnerable, including the vaquita, Hector's dolphin, and the Maui's dolphin. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these vulnerable populations and their habitats. As interest in dolphin encounters and marine tourism grows, ethical considerations emerge. Responsible tour operators promote non-invasive, respectful interactions with dolphins in their natural habitats to ensure their welfare and conservation. The future of dolphins depends on our collective efforts to protect their habitats and reduce human-induced threats. Conservation initiatives and sustainable practices are vital to securing their place in our oceans. As we strive to conserve dolphins, finding ways for humans and dolphins to coexist harmoniously is essential. Responsible ecotourism and ethical interactions can help bridge the gap between our species. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and hit that follow button so you can see more content like this in the future. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss an upload. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see from me in the future. Your feedback helps me create content that you'll love.